Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Welcome to this morning yoga feel-good flow practice. Let's get started in a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes, hands together. A long, deep breath in. As you exhale, let's rest the hands down. Allow yourself a moment of mindfulness to establish the inward turning of the mind. This is the signifier of the yoga practice, that the mind is directed inward. Feel your breath, feel the body, and be aware of the mind. And then a long, conscious, deep breath in. And as you exhale, let's softly open the eyes. Let's get started with releasing tension in the neck. Let's roll the head over to the left side and drop the right shoulder down. We can add in the hand for a little extra and stay. 1, 2, calm the mind, keep it easy. 3, that's it. 4 and 5. Let's come on back to the center. We'll switch, come on over to the other side. Take a moment and find the spot that speaks to you. Then drop that opposite shoulder down and add in the hand for a little extra and stay. And we have 1, easy does it. 2, don't overdo it. 3, 4, almost there. 5, let's release, give the head a little space. Lean over to the side, dropping the elbow if that's comfortable, and then extend through the left side. Just get yourself a nice, easy side bend, giving space to the whole torso and all the organs in the abdomen. We'll stay 2 more breaths. 1 more breath. At the end of the exhalation, a light activation of the pelvic floor. Inhale back to the center. Exhale over to the other side. Sweep the arm and then just dangle it over, maximizing the space between the right side of the rib cage and the right side of the pelvis. And we'll stay for about 5 breaths. Think about spaciousness through the whole organ system. Good. Spaciousness in the torso. 2 more breaths. Lengthen and deepen the breaths. 1 more breath. That's good. At the end of this exhalation, activate the pelvic floor lightly and inhale back to the center. Very good. So now we give space to the torso. Let's now work on space to the legs. We'll start off in pigeon pose. Let's keep that left knee closed. Extend the right leg back. And then you can play around with pigeon for a moment. Lean over to the side, over to the right hip, over to the left, and over into the right. And then let's settle gently down. Right, and you can check out if the knee likes to be closed or if we want to open the knee and target the hip a little bit deeper. We'll stay for about 5 breaths. We're going to move that right side of the pelvis back. So when you lift the pelvis up, just send it back. That deepens the external rotation in your left hip. Then exhale, forward fold, close your eyes. And then let's keep the navel drawn in. We'll stay for 5 breaths. Deep, easy breathing, no stress. Three more breaths. You're doing really well. Feel your body. If it's too much for the neck, to rest the chin, just drop the head down. Let's go for 2 more breaths. Okay, let's do 1 more breath. Very good. And let's inhale, come up onto the elbows, and exhale there. Stay there for a moment. Good. Walk yourself all the way up. Let's close the knee joint, and then again, just kind of lean down. Stay there for a moment on the hands. Feel the breath. Good. Lean back into the left hip and swing the right around. Close the right knee joint. Then we're going to swing that left hip back and around. Take a moment over to one side, over to the other side. Just kind of wiggle it back and forth to get the mobility. Back to the center. Then stay there just for a moment and check in. Does the right knee joint like to be closed, or do you want to explore opening? Leaning over to the side, opening the knee joint, and then exhale, fold. You can take a moment and scoot the left hip back. That increases the external rotation of the right hip joint. You can hang out on the elbows, rest the head on a block, or rest the chin or the forehead on the palms. Keep the navel in and allow yourself to breathe deeply. Mind calm and aware. Good. Deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Let's do 2 more breaths. Keep it easy. And 1 more breath, a long, deep breath in, and a long, deep breath out. And that's good. Leaning over into the right hip joint. Let's close the knee, come up onto your hands for a moment and just explore how that feels. Lifting the center of the chest up and getting breath, movement. Good. Curl your left toes under. Let's press into the left knee. Let's come back to the hands and knees. Stay on the hands and knees for a moment. Swing the hips to one side. Swing the hips to the other side. Swing the hips to one side. We'll do it one last time. All the way over to the other side. Back to the center. Separating the knees. Inhale. Let's come on up to downward facing dog. We'll stay for 5 breaths. 1, deep breath in, deep breath out. 2, keep the mind calm. 3, deep breath in, deep breath out. 4, let's go for 1 more breath. 5, switch your gaze forward, step the left foot forward, let's turn over to the side, take the hands on the ground. This is a wide leg forward fold. Give me a big breath in. Exhale, fold, drop the head towards the ground. Good, maybe the head touches, maybe not. Just lean forward. We'll stay here. We have 1, deep breath in, deep breath out. 2, navel is in. 3, no stress. 4, keep breathing. 5, let's drop the head back and the chest up. Good. Inhale, come on up. Walking your hands forward. That's good. Exhale there. We'll stay with just that halfway position. Then I want you to bend your right knee and start leaning over to the right until they can spin on the left heel. Then let's take the left hand down, sink the right hip towards the ground, and let's spiral open and get an open twist. Hold. 1. If you know how to take this deeper and you want to, please feel welcome. There are many different variations. 3. For example, you could hold onto your ankle and reach over towards your foot. If that's too much, just keep it there, easy, reaching. 4, 5, inhale, let's come all the way up, back to our original position, that kind of half forward fold. Exhale, bend the left knee until we lean all the way over and gently down. Spin the right hand down and let's spiral open, working and leaning a little forward. You're gonna feel that inner thigh on the right side. If you feel the inner thigh, you don't need to go any deeper, but again, that option is always there for you. Sometimes when we go deeper, we take ourselves out of kind of the micro elements of the work. So no pressure, right? We find what works. And let's stay for 3 more breaths. Work the inner thigh, work your open twist. Keep it easy. 1 more breath. 5, take the hand down. Inhale, pick it back up to that half forward fold position. Now you're going to turn the right knee joint out, bend in, interlace the fingers. And this is often sometimes referred to as a charging warrior position, or we can think about it as half wide leg C position, Prasarita C. So we'll just roll through the shoulders. 1, don't worry if your head doesn't touch the ground. 2, keep the eyes open, maintain your balance. 3, 4, almost there. 5, hands back, keep the head down. See if you can spin around and just do the other side. Good. Sometimes the body needs a moment to kind of find the position. If you need to come completely out and enter, that's okay too. Stay for 3 more breaths. The legs are working, it's totally normal. 4 and 5. Then back to the center and even out for Prasarita Padottanasana C position and hold. 1. Never force the shoulders. 2, if the hands are not on the ground, it's okay. 3, 4, almost there. 5, release your hands. Take the hands on the ground. Inhale, lift the center of the chest forward, walking the feet in. Turn the feet out, and then exhale, come down to a squat position. Hands in prayer, head down. Stay for 5 breaths. 1, draw the navel in. 2, steady breathing. 3, we're almost there. 4, and 5, hands down, walk the feet back, exhale, child's pose, chest on the thighs. 5 more breaths. 1, 2, 3, relax your torso. 4, and 5. Inhale, let's lift the center of the chest lightly forward. Walk the feet down, and then exhale, we're going to roll the spine down. Very good. Now we're in constructive rest position. Let's spiral the knees a little bit towards each other. Feel your breath, your body, your mind, that internal focus. That's good. Keep the mind calm and steady. Easy does it. All right, let's walk the feet in towards each other. Cross your right knee over the left. Exhale, bring both knees over to the right side, and the hands drape to the left. That's good. 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, keep breathing. 4, 5, and back to the center. Prepare now to switch the sides. Left leg comes on top. Exhale, drop over. Switch the sides. Notice the difference. Keep that mind in that quiet state of internal awareness, that feeling of flow, of focus, and concentration. 2 more breaths. Last breath. Good. And back to the center. Constructive rest just for a moment to let the sacrum settle onto the ground. Then extend your arms and legs. Let's take rest. Tap into that feeling of goodness within yourself, recognizing that you carry the seeds of all that you wish to experience, all the love, all the joy, all the peace, and all the happiness, all that lies within. There's no need to look anywhere but the inner world for that sense of fulfillment. Now allow yourself a long, deep breath in. Let's reawaken the body, your hands and feet, the arms and legs, the head, the neck, the torso. We'll bend the knees, bringing them all the way up into the chest, a little squeeze. Exhale, roll over onto the side. Inhale all the way back up. Find that comfortable seated position again. Close the eyes. Tune into the inner world, cultivating peace, harmony, and love. Hands in prayer position, a long, deep breath in. As you exhale, softly open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me on this practice. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love.